Good morning, everyone. My name is Sovannary.
My name is Noeun.
And today we are going to be presenting our science project about the plant kingdom. You might wonder, if we are presenting about the plant kingdom, why would we have all these 5 living things on the cover of our presentation? Well, this is because plant is part of the 5 kingdoms, which are
animals, plants, mineral, fungi, and protists. Plants. What are plants?
Plants are organisms that photosynthesizes and have stem, leaf, and root. What are the 5 simple facts about plants?
The 5 simple facts about plants are: first, they all have cell wall, which are made of a substance called cellulose.
Second, they are non-motile, meaning that they are able to move on their own.
Third, they are multicellular and eukaryotic organism. Eukaryotic organism is an organism whose cells contain a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles.
Fourth, they are autotrophic, meaning that they are producing their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Fifth, at night, like when they are hungry, they would eat the sugar that they have stored from the evening or morning. Also, like carnivorous plants, like a Venus flytrap, would also open their flytrap so that insects would come in and they can consume the insects.
How does plant can be important in our environment?
Plant has tons of benefits to our environment. First, plants help produce the oxygen. Second, they help provide material resources like logging, like logs for us to build houses and furniture. Third, they provide medicine for curing sickness and food for like vegetable and fruit. Not only that, when the air is filthy, they would also help filter the air so that the air would become cleaner and safer for us to breathe in. Not only that, plants will also help reduce the amount of climate change and global warming by absorbing the carbon dioxide. Although you think that plant has tons of advantages, is there any disadvantages of plants? If there are, what are they?
Yes, plus plant does have disadvantage. The disadvantage are toxicity, allergy, and cause physical harm through thorn. This is because some plants contain a toxic substance that can be harmful and when it's been touched and eaten. In the future, if the plant is going to be extinct, what should we do?
Although you might think that plants are many on this planet Earth, however, plants are disappearing day by day just because of the human activities. So, when plants are going extinct, we should do things as: first, you should educate people more about the importance of plants and how to protect them. You can also avoid using harmful chemicals on your plant and reduce your usage cycle. Or you should also switch from using plastic bags to paper bags or tote bags, even though it costs much. However, it saves the environment, plant. Also, you can protect the natural habitat as well. So what are the plants called in the 5 kingdoms?
Plants are called plantae.
How do humans interact with this plant kingdom? Humans interact with this plant kingdom for medical purposes for survival. So these are the examples of plants.
Sunflowers, tulip,
Monstera genus, orchid, lotus, and cactus. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you everyone for listening to our presentation. We hope you enjoy it and learn more facts about plants.